Colin MacLeod again, and just following on from our Wilmington workshop at Varnam Strings with Adrian and co. Adrian, and thank you so much for your support for our workshop, and just for and to you all for making it fun. And I thought, well, you know, what's something to perhaps carry on the journey. So here's an idea. 4 weeks, and each week we'll have a session. It might be an hour, it might be, well, I think we'll focus on the hour, and it will be focusing on a type of tune that you play in Scottish fiddle music. So I'm thinking about a jig, a reel, a strathspey and a hornpipe. And each week, so this is over 4 weeks, there'll be a set of 3 tunes that you can go and have an experiment with. You can go and learn by ear, but during our time together, we'll just focus on one of the tunes to go through the techniques, some of the techniques to bring a tune of that rhythm, that style alive. And then you can practice and apply what we've learned about together with the other 2 tunes. And so by the end of 4 weeks, you've got 12 Scottish fiddle tunes that you can play anywhere with your friends. Perhaps you might want to go out to a local music session and play one of the sets of music there so that everyone can join in with what you're playing. And what I'd say is, I find that session etiquette, I think here I use the 3x3 method, which is play a tune. A set consists of 3 tunes, all the same rhythm, and playing each tune 3 times each. And you know, you can play your set of tunes in Wilmington. You might want to do it in Edinburgh. You might want to do it in Columbia, South Carolina, Austin, Texas, or you might just want to play amongst yourselves, you know, and a group of you get together and just play these tunes together. So anyway, some ideas. I'm thinking of 4 weeks, a price of $97 and per person, and with a special 10% discount for everyone who attended our Wilmington Fiddle Workshop. So Adrian, Anne, I'd love if you could, you know, if you both wanted to hop on any of the calls and sit in, that would be absolutely marvellous. And you'll both get access to the material as well. So Colin MacLeod, if this is something, you know, that you think you'd like to take your next steps with Scottish fiddle music, and you know, something that complements what's the teachings that are already in place, then I'd love to hear from you. And there's a link at the bottom of this email. I'm thinking about starting this fairly soon, so all the best, and see you soon. Bye.